Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I want to show you that how to fix API HTTP 503 error with a Cardano in the Ledger Live. So I will show you the 6 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. In our first method, we just need to restart our system one time, and after this your problem may be fixed. Moving to our second method, click on the three dots at the very top right corner and then click on the more tools, click on the extensions, and here you have to just disable all of the enabled extensions in your browser. After completing this process, make sure that you have also disabled the VPNs that are downloaded or added to your Chrome extension. After completing this process, just restart your Ledger Live and your problem will be fixed. For the third method, again click on the three dots and then click on the settings, and here in the settings just click on the about Chrome in the left menu and check that if any update is available for your browser, it will automatically update your browser. After this, just click on the privacy and security in the left menu and then click on the clear browsing data. And here in the advanced options, you have to just select for all the time in the time range and then select for these all options and then click on the clear data. After completing this process, again restart your Ledger Live and your problem will be fixed. This is the most effective method. Moving to our fourth method, you just need to try a different connection of your internet. For this, you have to just change the network connection or try to restart the router of your internet connection. For this, you have to just connect a different internet connection, or you have to just restart the router by turning on the airplane mode for 2 to 3 minutes and again turn it off, restore your internet connection and restart your Ledger Live and your problem may be fixed. If the error persists, then you have to just check that if the server of the Ledger Live is down, then you have to just wait for some time, and after some time your problem may be fixed. So in order to check the server of the Ledger Live, you have to just open the down detector and check that if the server is down, then you have to just wait for some time. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.